Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel where we inspire each other in our lives, food, family, and fun. Today we're talking a kitchen hack, and I'm going to teach you how to get that horrible garlic smell off your hands in 10 seconds flat. So if you're interested in finding out how to do that, just keep watching and let's do this. Almost everyone loves cooking with garlic. It adds such great flavor to a ton of different recipes. Plus, as an added bonus, it keeps the vampires away.
Garlic.
Unfortunately, there's also a pretty bad side effect. It also can keep friends and family away.
Hey, Jane, you're home. Come give me a hug. What is that smell?
And then you end up in the corner alone in a fetal position.
Why does everyone hate me? What did I do?
So to avoid living a life of misery and loneliness, give this trick a try. All you need to do is get a stainless steel spoon, and while running your hands under the water, just rub your fingers all over the front and the back of that spoon. Just do it for about 10 seconds and voila, all the smell is gone. I've also found that this is beneficial if you are cutting onions, as that smell is just as bad. Okay ladies, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this tip and trick, and if you did, be sure and give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you can be notified of all upcoming videos, and leave me a comment below if you've tried this. Also, let me know in the comment section if you have a kitchen hack that you would like me to feature on a future video, and I will give that a look. Until next time, I hope you're having a great day. I hope you stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video. See ya, ladies.